Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Nissan Qashqai. Now of course it is finished in this lovely pastel grey, but you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, front parking sensors, you get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which is just up at the top here. Then into the tailgate, we've got 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with the boot floor. Coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting point at the bottom. You've got electric windows all around, full keyless entry and start. Inside we have a 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control in the front with air conditioning. You've then also got your infotainment display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. We've got your various audio sources just there, and then of course as you can see, you get your full 360-degree view camera there. Then over to the left, we've got your audio volume, track select, and then your onboard computer controls on the left hand side. Over on the right, you get your Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, and adaptive cruise control settings. You get full automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 13,810 miles. Coming back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Nissan Qashqai, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.